Hi guys, Alan here for Social Horsepower. I'm going to talk to you today about segments. And I'll start very quickly by explaining the difference between teams and segments. Teams would probably be all of your different venues, your different websites, your different charities, what have you. And segments gives you an opportunity to take those individual companies and divide the people who work there further. So for example, let's use the nightclub as an example. If I own a nightclub, I probably have all kinds of different employees. So I might have bartenders, I might have management, I might have DJs, I might have promoters, and I might even have club goers. All different types of people who attend my club, and what I'm messaging people, it might be important to segment them so that we can give the appropriate message to the appropriate employee type. So let's have a look here. How will the segment work? There's two types. You can have it as a checkbox where you've got employee or person who can belong to more than one type of segment. And the second type is a radio button, which means you can only belong to one type. Let's start with the checkbox. And the second option is, how do you want people to segment themselves? There's two options. One, you can do it for the manual in the back end, where you go into each employee's record and set it up yourself. But what you're probably going to want to do is let people set it up for themselves. And in this particular case, we'll select yes. I'd like my members to choose which segments they belong to themselves. So let's go ahead and set up the employee segment. And the next thing we're going to want to do is add some attributes. So currently we have none defined, but we're going to go ahead and define some. So the first one is bouncers. And we'll add a few here. Bartenders. So that's it. We've set up our segment. We've got employees. The employees segment is comprised of bouncers, bartenders, and management. And what we'll do is we'll now go back to our opt-in page, and you'll see what the system does automatically. The system automatically forces all employees to select the type that they belong to. So let's go ahead and sign up and say that we are a bartender. And what happens is when you go to create a new message now, you can use our filter feature here, select all the bartenders, apply that filter, and now you can see we've gone ahead and only selected the bar staff, the bartending staff. So that's segments in a nutshell, and that's the way that you can divide up your list into logical operands. As always, we're here from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. If you guys need any additional help, give us a call, drop us an email. We're always around to help. Cheers.